This is a B75D New Holland backhoe. It's called the economy model, made in 2023. First, I'm going to show you where the ventilation filter, the cabin air filter, is located. Kind of a hard one to find and get at. Right down there, right under the seat. And there's a little shield that you have to take off first. Shield's laying right there. You can't really see much. That's what it looks like. Take that shield off and you can get at it. Now, there should be a pre-filter on the outside. Usually, most backhoes have it, but this is an economy backhoe, so you're not going to find it. Go to the back of the machine, look for the label. It says right that air intake duct, right there it is. And that's not an air intake duct for your motor, it's for your ventilation system. So, first you take the shield off. There's a shield that goes right over the top. It has 3 Torx screws. They go there, there, and there. I think they're T25s. And then you can get at this. Now I'm going to put a pre-filter on. What I'm using is just a very light rolled steel wool. I'm going to put it over the top of that and zip tie it. And then I've taken a house filter, just a plain old air filter for a house furnace, and straightened it out, and I'm going to lay that over the top and press it up against using the molding and give me some type of pre-filter so there isn't so much dirt that gets in there. Look at how much dirt's in there. So, and if you went inside and look in where the cabin filter is, there's just tons of dirt that came in through here and went into that filter inside. That's my solution for the lack of a pre-filter on a economy backhoe. I wish you the best of luck. If you think I did something wrong, please tell me, because I'm just guessing on this one.